Hello, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Eddie Harvey here from TradeWithEd.com. Hey, listen, guys, listen up. I want to share with you guys a strategy. If you're looking to get 50 pips a day, looking for a 50 pip a day Forex strategy, I want to share with you what is, in my opinion, one of the ways you can do it. I know there are many ways out there you can do it, many strategies, but I want to share with you one of the simplest ways to do them. Why do I say simple? Is because this is for the person. If you don't want to mark up charts, you can. We for the platform I utilize, which is IMarketslIve, we do have strategies and tools, hands down, absolutely, that you can go and mark up charts and catch 50 pips a day, no problem. But with this strategy, what I love about it, and through this software, the legwork has been done. Okay, the legwork has been done for the strategy. All you have to do is enter into the markets to take advantage of this strategy. All right. So this is through the IML Web Analyzer, a product with iMarketslIve. The strategy was created by Dr. Kathy Kirkland, who is a phenomenal trader, eight-figure trader, through utilizing the tools and education inside of iMarketslIve. Has helped to create 15 plus millionaires, and just is a phenomenal person. She's my senior business partner as well, so that's awesome. And she created this strategy for people who don't have a lot of time, but it's for the busy person, but also for a person who does have time. It's just taking off, and so many people are crushing it with this strategy. So what I'm going to do is show you the strategy. Uh, and this is on the IML Web Analyzer. She's an IML educator, and she teaches the strategy live as well, 4 days a week. Okay, so here's what we have. The tool that houses the strategy is called the IML Web Analyzer. So the strategy is inside of there. As you can see, I have it picked down here, Dr. Kathy's ECC 11, right? Now, the Forex market is closed. It's Saturday. The market is closed today, Saturday, June 15th. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to show a trade and share with you, looking at some of these trades and see if we can pull one up that definitely hit profit. A lot of these trades, like the web analyzer, starts closing trades out, so it's kind of cutting me off. So a lot of these trades are in consolidation. Some of them, even if you look right here, as you can see, Fridays are a slower day in the Forex market. And also, once you hit around 11 a.m., 12 noon, the market starts going into consolidation. As you can see, it slows down. So this is all consolidation. So let's go back and look for a trade setup that definitely hit take profit. Now, the basis of this strategy, the legwork has been done, like I said. If you utilize this strategy, there's only a few key things you got to look for. There's a complete checklist that you get when using the strategy that you need to look for. The setups, make sure all of your numbers are correct. This is taking off the Ichimoku cloud. And you have your two lines here that are called I think the Tenjin and the Kenjin, I believe are the names of them. But it boils down to, you don't have to be that technical. You need to know if a red line is above a blue line, or if it's a red line is below a blue line. Now, what do those dictate? Okay, with the strategy. If the red line is under the blue line, that indicates a sell. Here's the cloud here. If a red line is below a blue line, that indicates a sell. And this is below the cloud, which is great. Now, for a buy, you want the red line to be above the blue line. And if it's above the cloud, that's great. But here's the cool thing. It doesn't matter if it's above or below the cloud. The bottom line is, guys, is that red under blue means sell. Red over blue means buy. So let me scroll down here. Let me look at a couple of trade setups, okay, and see. Now, the goal with this strategy is to hit 10 pips, take profit. If you hit 10 pips, take profit, guys, you're talking about, if you do that 5 times, 10 times 5, that's 50 pips for a day, right? Or if you ride one of the trades out, sometimes they go past, obviously they go past 10. If you have a little more experience, you can ride it out and trail your stop and try to catch 10, 20 plus pips. That's a strategy you can use. And then you can twin trade also, right? You can twin trade and get in there and take 2 setups, and if both of those trade setups hit 10 pips profit, that's 20 total right there. Okay. Now, let me look and see what we got here. Let me look at this. What we got here. Let me check out Euro JPY. Let's see what we got here. Euro JPY. Okay. This was called at 11 a.m. It's called at 11 a.m. and then the universal time was 1600 hours. So Let me go see what I pull up on this. Come on, computer. There we go. All right. Euro JPY. At 11 a.m. And listen, some of these trades are going to take time to hit also. Let me just stress that and understand that. You might be in a trade, even though you're this is a scalping, more of a scalping tool. As you can see, I select the 15-minute chart because you do have the 5-minute and the 15 is typically what we trade it off of, but you also have the hour, the 4-hour, and the daily you can do as well. But the 5-minute and the 15-minute is what we take it off of, okay? So let me go here. I'm looking at Euro JPY, right? Let's look at the 11 o'clock hour. Let's see what happened, which is also equivalent to the 1600. Okay. Oh, that's right in the consolidation. Yeah, that's all in some sticky consolidation right there. So the most that dropped, that was a sell. Red is below the blue, but it was consolidating, right? So when it's called, you got to look at things. So this is a trade. If I would have saw that and saw the consolidation started happening, even though the red is below the blue, I wouldn't have gotten in this trade. Okay. I'm not going to get in. You don't want to get into a trading consolidation. It's going to be a bunch of sideways movement, right? So if you look at that, let me see. Man, come on, stop going up on me. And it's eating up the trades because as time moves, these are disappearing as well. So let me see. It was called at 121.64, okay? At the 1600 hour, 1600. Let me go look at this real quick. 121.64. So right there. This didn't do nothing. This didn't even drop nothing but like 2 pips, right? So this is one, like I said, we would have avoided. So let me go a little bit earlier. Let me look at this one right here, this GBP USD, and let's see what happened with this. All right. 10:30, that's better. It was still inside some volatility. It was still London session, part of the New York session. It was in that time frame. So mainly the New York session, though. That was the New York session. Nobody says London right there. But it was the New York session. And you see right here showing New York also. Let me go. What time frame is it on? So it gives you the time. Here's the cool thing. Let me tell you this. It tells you what the potential setup is, right? Potential sale on GBP USD on the 15-minute chart call. It tells you the price 1.26048. Stop doing that. Stop loss and take profit. Dr. Kathy's ECC11 strategy is giving you the universal time, local time, and time passed. Obviously, 31 hours and 5 minutes has been passed since this was taken. So obviously, this is over a day and a half ago. But it was called on the 10:30 hour, okay? 10:30 hour being 15:30 on here. So if I go to 15:30 right here, right? And it was giving me 26048. Let me get this here. 15:30. That's around 2605, 2604. It's right in there. Let's see how many pips this dropped. It dropped. It hit as low as right here. Boom, look at that. 23 pips this dropped, guys. 23 pips, okay? As you can see, things line up. The red is below the blue. And this was still moving and wasn't hitting consolidation quite yet. But as you can see from up here on earlier calls, that might have been called red below the blue. What's happened? Drop, boom, drop, boom. And the drop still dropped right here at 23 pips. So you could have called 23 pips on this and got your 10 and got out, or twin traded it and still called 20 pips that way. So that's how you utilize that. And then, you know, when you look at are people having success with this strategy? I just want to show you the simplicity of this strategy, okay? And take profit, stop loss, all of that is taught within the strategy. So this video is getting kind of long, but let me go show you a couple of results. Since I was only able to show you one profitable trade setup, let me show you that the success people are having with this strategy. I myself personally, I'm utilizing this strategy. I haven't lost. I got 2 trades I'm in right now. I'm riding them out, but I haven't lost with this strategy in 3.5 weeks. Okay, so I've won. I'm like I think 38 for 41 on my trades I've taken with this strategy. All right, looking at 10 pips minimum. Okay, so when you look at here, let me go into our group here. This is the Web Analyzer group. And this is recent, guys. So there's June 15th. If you look here yesterday, Davina, boom, triple my account again, ECC11. You know, someone asked me they can use doing crypto, Dr. K doubled my account this morning, ECC11. Dr. Kathy White Kirkland is the pip prophet. Over 1,000 pips caught this morning. You're looking for 50 pips a day. This man caught 1,000 pips in the morning using yes, the ECC 11 strategy. Using the ECC 11 strategy, guys. Understand Dr. K teaches this strategy 4 times a week at 2 a.m. also, London time. That's when the market is jumping and booming and a lot of volatility. 1,000 pips. Now, if you're going for 50 pips per day, it's 5 trading days in a week. 50 times 5 is 250, right? 50 times 5 is 250. 250 times 4 is 1,000. This man caught his 1,000 pips. He caught 50 pips a day for a month's worth of pips in the morning. I can stop right there. I'm getting ready to stop. ECC 11, get your pips, get your money pips. Sleep is overrated when you can trade with Dr. Kaplan in the mornings. Retired, absolutely. Trading live, we trade. You can catch not only Forex, but you can catch stocks with this, crypto, everything. Okay, made a day's pay before 6 a.m. this morning trading with Dr. Kathy, ECC 11. I have tripled my account in 1 week. I'm done, guys. I'm going to stop right there. But listen, ECC 11, beautiful strategy, 50 pip per day strategy. If you want to utilize this strategy, this is a great way to do it. Listen, if you want to learn more about it, all you have to do is take a look at the IMarketslIve overview. Go to tradewithed.com or click the link below this video. And from there, you will find out more about IMarketslIve, the platform, the products, more about ECC 11. You'll learn this strategy in and out, detailed step-by-step, get checklists and everything for it. I'm going to put IMarketslIve to the test. If you see an opportunity for yourself, there's a 7-day trial period. Where if you're not happy within 7 days, you got a money-back guarantee. Okay, but I don't think you will be disappointed. But I just want to share with you guys, if you're looking for a way to make 50 pips per day, and all you have to do is wait for a few confirmations of a line above one line or another, simple stuff like that, then you might want to take a look at this. Oh, and then also catch pips from live callouts that she's giving, okay, with the web analyzer, where she's telling you what to trade. That's another way to catch your pips. So with that being said, guys, I hope you all did receive some value from this. Go ahead, tradewithed.com, guys. More information, any questions, feel free to hit me up. I'll be more than happy to answer. Talk to you later. Take care. Have a great day.